Oh my gosh, are you ready for everyone that loves to peel a sticker? Kiaora everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is such an exciting day for me because I get to do my first ever unboxing video. I've always wanted to record an unboxing video on YouTube. I just want to say thank you to two people in particular, and that is my mum and dad. I just love you guys, and I love that you're so supportive. Anything I do, you guys are so supportive of, and you've been nothing but encouraging. This video today is possible because my mum and dad purchased this GoPro Hero 9 Black for me. So mum and dad, thanks so much for believing in me. I'm so excited to see what I can make with this camera, and I just know that this YouTube channel is gonna grow and be blessed by you guys and your generosity. So thank you so much. I promise myself I won't regret. Okay, before I go any further, if you want to help me grow this channel, I need you to do two things. Hit that like button, push that subscribe button. In the comment section, let me know you're on the journey by saying, Ben, I'm in. I've subscribed. It just encourages people that, man, if they want to see this YouTube channel grow, you gotta subscribe. You gotta help me get to those 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. That's a lot, right? But I believe that I can do it. I believe that we can do it. So here we go. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Should we open it? I've waited for 12 hours to open this box. They've got this fun little strip here. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I wanted to use the biggest knife that I could find in my kitchen to open this, but wow. So that's the first bit. Oh, I didn't make it all the way. All right, here we go. Oh. So you got open these little flaps here. Boop, boop. We're gonna pull out. Oh, I ripped the box. What a savage. There goes that. So it comes in this really cool little, oh man, feel that, canvas box. GoPro, how good. It's not sponsored by GoPro at all. If anything, it's sponsored by my mum and dad buying me a camera, okay? I love you. So here we go. Oh man, it's so much cooler than what I thought it would be. All right, it comes with whatever that is. I think it's a USB-C cable. Oh, cute. It comes with this little battery. Oh, fun. Should we take it out of the packet now? Why not? Okay, what else does it come with? Oh, wow, it comes with a clippy thing. How's it work? Did I just break it? Okay, maybe. Comes with a clip. So there we go. USB-C cable, that. I've never owned a GoPro before, straight up. So all this is so new to me. Cool. I think those will go together. How good. And what have we got in here? Wow, a screw thing. And the screw thing will go in here. This is so cool. In another video I'm going to make, I brought this 50-in-1 cheap pack of GoPro accessories. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned. I'll make that video soon. For the big moment. Oh, I'm so nervous to touch it. Oh my gosh, here it is. The GoPro Hero 9 Black. Boom! Wow, how do you do this? I think. Just stop. Just stop it. Just get out of here. Okay, here we go. Here it is. Oh my gosh, are you ready for everyone that loves to peel a sticker? All right, here we go. This one. Oh my sweet goodness. Look at it. Now, so I got this because I did heaps of research into it. And I was looking at secondhand. Oh, praise the Lord, there's another sticker. Look at these cool flippy outy things. Aren't they wicked? I feel like they're wicked. Yeah, so I was looking at the Hero 7, and honestly, it wasn't that much more to buy a brand new GoPro Hero 9. So I decided that this is what I would get. So pop that open, boom, boom. This is where the battery goes. Should we stick it in? I think we should. Oh, wow. Did it just turn on? Did you just show me your first signs of life? Should we do it? Should we see what happens when it turns on? Oh, MJ! Oh, it's so cool. Oh, there's a thing. So now that we've got everything out of the box, it's looking good. I think it's important. Just have a quick read. I haven't used one of these before, so I don't want to muck anything up. So let's just have a little look at the instructions, and they're so clear. You can download them. How good. I honestly just tried to open the flippy outy thing and it was a disaster. So this just makes it real clear that you're going to pull it this way. Oh man, you're going to break some fingernails. Boom. And open it up like that. Super easy. Clap it down. Bam. Don't muck around with it. It's an action cam. It can handle you. All right. So that's how you open it. How good. We've got the battery here and the SIM card. I reckon there should be another step here that says put the SIM card in first, because it's completely out of nightmare file if you don't. Then put the battery in. Whack it down. Bam. Boom. Charging cable. Here we go. Where are we going to put this? We don't know. We don't know where it goes. What's happening? All right, we were supposed to leave the door open. Bam, whack that back open. Plug that sucker in. Oh my goodness. We're looking good. Okay, now, we're not going to close it because it can't, all right? So to charge it, we're going to use one of these little guys. iPhone. Plug it in, charge it up. So that's how we're going to charge it. Now, let's take this USB-C cable out. Pretend like we've charged it. It's got these really, really cool flippy outy things here. So this all goes together. I love how secure. Like, if you think about how hard that is to get that out, it's going to stay in there. So this was separate to start with, but you open up that. I had to tutu with it to actually figure out how to do it. Clip that in. Squish it down. It was just hard, okay? You just had to squish it down. So then we're going to very gently put this in here. This is an action cam. We don't have to be gentle. We can be rough. All right, and then we're going to screw this in. Boom. She is good to go. Looking awesome. We can mount it to something. Mount it to a helmet. I've got a 50-in-1 pack coming. Let's put that there. That has 50 different things and in this pack, and you can like put it on your helmet. It's got a chest piece. It's got a little anti-sinking thing if you drop it in the water. I'm going to make so many videos with this GoPro. It's not funny. So thank you, Mum and Dad. Honestly, this is just the... Spider-Man thanks you. This is just the coolest present ever. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. It was a hot mess. But I'm so glad that I finally got to open this, and I just cannot wait to film stuff and produce fresh content for the channel. So if you want to see fresh content, like, subscribe, let me know in the comments that you're on board by saying I've subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Ka kite.